In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Discord to Google Calendar using an easy integration method. This guide will walk you through the process so you can seamlessly link these two platforms and streamline your event management. To start, it's important to note that Discord doesn't natively integrate with Google Calendar. To get around this, you'll need to use a third-party bot such as Apollo, Sesh, or Zapier. For this demonstration, we'll focus on using Apollo or Sesh, both of which are popular options. First, head over to the bot's website. Here, you'll be able to initiate the process of adding the bot to your Discord server. Look for a button that says Add to Discord and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can select the server you'd like to connect. If you're not already logged into Discord, you may be prompted to do so at this point. Once you've selected your server, you'll need to authorize the bot. Don't worry, this is a standard procedure, and it simply allows the bot to perform actions within your server that you've approved. Once the authorization is complete, you'll find setup prompts waiting for you inside Discord. Follow these carefully as they will guide you through the initial setup. These steps ensure that the bot is correctly integrated and can effectively communicate with your server. Now, with the bot successfully installed, you need to connect your Google account. Inside Discord, the bot will have a specific command that you can use for this purpose. For instance, if you're using Sesh, you would type the command /link Google. This command will prompt you to authorize access to your Google Calendar. Authorization is a crucial step as it ensures that your Google Calendar events can be shared with Discord. You might see a Google authorization screen that requests permission for the bot to access your calendar. Rest assured this connection is secure and necessary for the integration to work correctly. Confirm the authorization to complete the step. Once authorized, your Discord server will be able to read from your Google Calendar. Depending on the bot you chose, there might be additional features you can explore. For instance, some bots allow you to receive reminders, create calendar events directly from Discord, and even notify your server members of upcoming events. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly connect Discord with Google Calendar, making event management and communication with your server more efficient. Remember that while this guide focused on using Apollo or Sesh, the process is quite similar if you decide to use Zapier or another integration service. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your experience with Discord and Google Calendar more productive. Be sure to check out other videos on our channel for more tips and tricks.